Welcome to the Recolex YouTube channel, where we delve into the realm of building technology, architecture, and cloud infrastructure from around the world. Our goal is to provide you with a diverse range of resources, including engaging articles and practical tutorials, to keep you both informed and entertained. At Recolex, we believe that learning should be an enjoyable and interactive experience. That's why we've created a vibrant and engaging community where you can connect with fellow enthusiasts, share your thoughts and experiences, and partake in meaningful discussions. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, the Recolex channel has something for everyone. We are committed to delivering high-quality content that caters to all skill levels, ensuring that you can learn and grow at your own pace. Our team of experts is dedicated to bringing you the latest insights and trends in the field of building technology and architecture. We are always on the lookout for innovative and inspiring stories to share with our community. So, if you have a thirst for knowledge and a passion for the captivating world of technology and building architecture, we invite you to join our channel and become an integral part of our community. We eagerly await the opportunity to share our knowledge with you and learn from you along the way.